Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime with only 2 ingredients. So yeah, also guys, hashtag notification subscribe for my last 6 video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this recipe is so easy to make. It only requires 2 ingredients. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. I'm using this shampoo by VO5. You guys will of course need some hand sanitizer. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. I'm just using this container. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So this recipe is so easy. I'm first going to add my shampoo into my bowl or plate. And that looks like just enough. And now I'm going to get mixing it up for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. By the way, you want to mix it so it gets super fluffy and bubbly. Looks like just enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit hand sanitizer over time into the soap. This is basically going to act as the activator, and the shampoo is the glue. I'm going to add a little bit into there. Okay, this recipe is so messy, it's all over me, but now that that is mixed up, I'm going to put my lid onto this, and I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. If it looks like it's too runny, remember to add more shampoo. This is acting as the glue for the recipe. And if it looks like it's too thick, which can happen, make sure to add a little bit of hand sanitizer. Don't add too much because this does have alcohol in it. By the way, you guys can use any type of hand sanitizer. I'm just using this one for today because I ran out of my Bath & Body Works one. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this is all done. Okay guys, about 3.5 hours later, I added way more shampoo into this because it looks like the alcohol actually kind of made the slime more runny. But here it is, and I kept adding more shampoo into it. And oh my gosh, I love the color. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my god. That is such a thick slime. See, and it is quite sticky actually. But this is how it turned out. I can't believe I made such an awesome slime. It's quite gloopy, as you can see. Is that even a word, gloopy? I'm gonna get mixing it up and see if I can make it not so sticky. Okay, about mixing it for a minute or 2, here it is. It did change the color a lot. It's a lot more foggy and stuff. But here is the slime recipe, and this turned out so great. I've never had a no glue hand sanitizer slime turn out this great and thick, and I think it's because I added more shampoo and I added less hand sanitizer, because this is again acting as the activator. But this recipe turned out great. It's quite sticky still, and it will melt in about an hour or 2. But if you want to make a quick and easy no glue slime recipe, definitely try this out. And remember, some shampoos and hand sanitizers may work differently and it may turn out melted. But if you guys want to try out this recipe, definitely try it out. I tested this recipe a bunch of times, and this is probably the best time it has worked. Look how awesome this is. But this was on how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime with only 2 ingredients. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It was a quick video for you guys to watch, but it is an updated no glue hand sanitizer slime recipe. So yeah. So remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and check out all my social medias and brand new YouTube shorts that have been uploaded this past few weeks. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!